What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Damn Shoe Man. Welcome back. I've got another unboxing video here for you today. This is another old shoe video. Shoes that I haven't had on my channel, but I thought needed a little bit of love here on Super Damn Shoe Man. So I got this particular pair from Miguel. Thanks for looking out, bro. And this is something that doesn't really interest me that much. I mean, I might like to have one of these in the collection, but only because it's hyped. It's an okay shoe otherwise, but that's about it. But it's hyped, and plenty of people want it, and it goes for a decent amount of money. But this is the Jordan 1 High Mocha. Colorway is Sail Black Dark Mocha. So it's the Jordan 1 High Dark Mocha. So these things went crazy because they look so much like the Travis Scott's. And I mean, they do look good. I like the low profile toe box. The leather is decent. It's not really that great. I do like the nubuck back here. This nubuck is very nice. But otherwise, I mean, there's only two panels that have that, and then the little patch there. But otherwise, I mean, it's just so-so leather. If I saw this leather on a mid, I would say it's slightly better than usual. So it's really not that great, but the colors are nice. They are very wearable colors, but I don't think this would have done anything like, or would have become anything like what it is if it wasn't the same color as colorway as the Travis Scott. Like I said, it is nice. There is something about this shoe that's nice. I think that transcends the hype. But as far as the Jordan 1 goes, nothing OG about this. I mean, it's got a sail midsole, which none of them were originally made with a sail midsole, so there's nothing OG about it, but it does look pretty good. And then, like I said, it's because it goes with or it looks like the Travis Scott. And I do like the Travis Scotts. I don't have the Mocha pair of Travis Scotts, but I do like them. If I compare it to this leather, this is more just leather, not nubuck. This is like a very smooth nubuck, and this is just leather. I mean, but the other materials on this shoe are better than this. I prefer this nubuck over this leather personally, but this is nice leather. I haven't made a video on this, I don't think, which I probably won't now. But it's a pretty nice shoe, and getting my hands on one, having it in my hands, is pretty nice to have it here in the studio. Kind of makes me want it a little bit more. But you know, I've got the low. I like this one better. Sail midsole. I mean, I've got the low Travis Scott. But it does kind of make me want this. For the right trade, I would do it, which I would assume might be like both my used Mono Ice and my used 350 Light. I'd probably end up doing something like that. Just because I don't really want those shoes. I've worn them a little bit, but not much. But I'm just kind of good with them now. Now that I have the blue tint. So, y'all need to comment down below. Tell me what you think about this shoe. Like, is it worth the hype? Is it not worth the hype? Is it just because the Travis Scott looks like it, or does this have its own appeal? Enough of its own appeal to garner the $400 or $500, maybe even $600 price tag that it has. And I'll put the price tag up here from StockX on this side. This is a 10.5, I think. Yeah. So I'll put either the 10.5 or the 11 or both. Since I'm an 11, he's a 10.5, just to see the difference between those. I kind of like the way Miguel laces his. He told me, and I didn't know this before, but he told me that he puts, I never thought of it, he puts the shoe on unlaced and then laces it like to the right, initially to the right, to his desired tightness, and only goes up, like I think most people like me, to this second to the top on his Jordan 1 highs, and then goes back through just like that and out, and that keeps it from loosening. I think that's a really good idea. And I don't know that I can do that with highs, because I think for highs I like them. I like them tighter than this. Like, this would just be uncomfortable for me to wear. Like, it's got to be tighter than. It's got to end up being tighter than I could walk with. No. It's tight enough where I could not get my foot, I couldn't slip my foot into it. Like, I have to untie my highs to put them on. So I don't know that this would work with highs. It definitely work with lows though, so I'll consider doing that with those lows. But This isn't too loose, in my opinion. Some of these that just have their laces laying out I think that's a hideous look. I mean, dude, you do you, but I think it's hideous. But this is like a happy medium. So again, thanks Miguel for letting me borrow these shoes to make a video with. I do like them. So actually, Miguel, I'll consider trading you for these at some point. You said you don't have any Yeezys. You need some Yeezys. There you go. But like I said, let me know what you think about these down below in the comments. Are they hyped just because of the Travis Scotts, or do they have their own allure that draws people to like these, other than the fact that they're fairly wearable, but not OG at all? But comment down below, smash that like button if you enjoy these. Make sure you ring the bell when you're subscribed so you get notified every time I make a video. I make a video almost every day. If you haven't seen the shorts, because sometimes I don't get notified, or some people don't get notified of shorts. I'm making shorts too. Not all of them are shoe related. You know, if I see something that I think deserves a short, I make it, I put it out there. And of course, don't forget to tell your grandma. See you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose.